Hello, welcome to the Facebook, YouTube of Man of Steel Fan Gives Hope. And I like to start off with the media, okay? And I want you to picture a world without any internet access, any blogs, anything like that. A world where you just waited until you saw the film. Then you would talk to your friends. You wouldn't hear about the film. You wouldn't know much about it unless a monthly magazine came out that told you. But now, sadly, we have the internet full of trolls, full of clickbait materials, of false lies, that it could drive any film studio crazy. Now, Ben Affleck has been in the news. He was trying to promote his film by Night, Live by Night, and he's constantly getting hounded by questions of Batman, which he's trying to write. He's just had a bad time by Night. It didn't do as well as he hoped, but nobody's asking about that. They're all asking about the Batman. Now, he's already not, when he was given the role to play Batman in BVS, he was given such a hard time on social media, and oh no, guy can't act, can't do this and everything else. So if you can just imagine how you might be affected by anybody that's saying a bad comment about yourself on the internet, and especially if you're a big star, there'll be posts about you everywhere. So he's had to deal with that, and also the scene where he's just listening to Henry Cavill, and they made some sort of funny joke about him looking sad about that. So yeah, we cannot get the social media to shut up and be quiet until the film comes out. No, social media can't seem to do that. What they do is they post rumours, they post, Ben Affleck is quitting being director, screenwriters are coming in, and now they're saying he's going to leave the Batman role. Can you just imagine what sort of effect that would have on Ben Affleck if he was to leave something that he loves? If he was to leave the role that he's a big Batman fan, and do you not think for one instance that he would actually get more trolls or something because they let the fan base down? Now, Ben Affleck knows there is a fan base for him being Batman. But sadly, we've got all this stuff and you don't know who to listen to. Comic Book World, Comic Book Cast, Collider, and then you had one woman on Collider talking about they've seen the Wonder Woman movie and it's a mess. Nobody has seen the Wonder Woman movie. Now, I don't know who to tell you who to believe, right? You can sit there and you can listen to me prattle on about how good and positive that is, of course, and that is probably coming from somebody biased because I'm a DC fan. Me personally, I always sort of try and look on the positive things, the page. And of course, people jump on that. As soon as somebody said that, I know a friend of a friend of a friend of a friend and a friend, and we all get ourselves worried and we all start saying, oh no, DCU is in crisis. Now, the other topic is, what YouTube channel to go to. I was recently addressed, somebody posted on the page, which I have now recently showed that person that they could be wrong and deleted it from the page. Some people stating that people like John Campea is biased against DCU, or John Snaps, or Collider, or Comic Book Cast, and all these other various sites. And on my page we put posts of John Campea, loving Man of Steel, defending Man of Steel, defending BVS for Batman's killing spree to John Snepps. John Snepps then later on went and enjoyed the extended version. If that had any impact from the abuse he probably got because he never liked it, who knows, but he changed his tone. John Campea, after coming away from BVS, sat in Collider, and while people around him didn't like it, you know, he was the only one sort of defending it. He was staying quiet, and then he felt like he needed to change his. But then again, later on, he makes a video about the defence of the Martha scene. He's made a post recently about Warner Brothers saying everything is fine, but it's still in chaos. You know, screenwriters' films are not getting done and everything else. And the way I like to think it is, that's his view as a fan, as a DCU. He wants the films to do good. He made some statement about BVS does badly, so does Civil War. I can see where he's coming from that. But again, Civil War for me didn't explode. Nobody was talking about it. Then you've got Comic Book Cast, it's all Marvel. In the background, it's all Marvel, and everything that somehow Marvel does, it's brilliant. You know, and he's got a wee Spider-Man that swings down subscribe. There's hardly any DC on the page, but at the same time, there's also videos there where he defends the DCU, and again, he wants something, you know, for it. Now, he could be Marvel fan. Somebody said to me that they know somebody that worked in Comic Book Cast or knows the guy and believe it, and they say they want to cripple DCU. So all I can say on that, and all I can say on these pages is just ignore the negative ones, right? But don't go out and say this guy's Marvel fan or whatever. Don't even listen to me because I'm DCEU. I'm just wanting, like we all do, we all want the best. Sadly, there's people out there, some Marvel fans, not all, that just want DC to fail, and there's DC fans there that want Marvel to fail, and but in the film studios and the actors, they're all getting behind each other, and everything else doesn't help. Some actors make some stupid statement along the way. So this is all due to the internet and YouTube. Beforehand, we could go to the pictures and look forward to it. There's people I know that avoid Facebook and have no idea all this is going on. They had no idea. Some people prefer the DC films. They had no idea all this was going on between the Marvel and the DC fans. So my advice to you is just ignore the negative comments, ignore the negative posts that put in DCU in trouble, Ben Affleck, we need to look for a new actor and everything else. Forget that. Don't fall into clickbait. Only click on to the ones that's like, yes. And you do that, and then hopefully we can squash all the hate and all the bias and all the clickbait materials out there in false news. Denzel Washington even talked about false news and how this is becoming academic. This seems to be popular now. It's just put out any sort of news.